नाशिनी शास्त्रनुते भवभयहारिणि पाप विमोचनि साधुजनाश्रितपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धैर्यलक्ष्मी सदपालय मां धैर्यलक्ष्मी सदपालय मां
वस्त्रान् समर्पयामि उत्तरीयान् समर्पयामि ऊर्ध्वपुण्ड्रान् समर्पयामि आभरणैः अलङ्करोमि ओम 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 श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः लक्ष्मी देवताभ्य महापूर्वपुण्ड्रान् समर्पयामि विशेष पूजान् समर्पयामि ओम श्रीवल्ली नमः ओम श्रीमतंदाराय नमः ओम श्रीमत्यै नमः ओम शांतरूपिण्यै नमः ओम श्रीप्रदाय नमः
गणमण्डितलोकनुजे हरिहर ब्रह्म सुबोधित सेविततापनिवारिणि पालयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि गजलक्ष्मी रूपेण पालय मां गजलक्ष्मी रूपेण पालय मां श्रीमावाहयामि धृतिमावाहयामि पवित्रीमावाहयामि नमः श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः गजलक्ष्मी नमः पूर्णपुण्ड्रान् समर्पयामि आभरणैः अलङ्करोमि ओम 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 स्वयंभुवाय नमः ओम सर्वाधिष्ठाय नमः ओम स्वेच्छाचार विनोदिन्ये नमः ओम रूपस्वर्वस्वरूपिण्ये नमः ओम लोकादविलासिन्ये नमः ओम निरूपमयाय नमः ओम नित्याय नमः ओम सत्याय नमः ओम निरवधिककृपारसाय नमः ओम अनोख्य दिव्याकाराय नमः ओम नित्य सत्य स्वरूपाय नमः ओम सर्वाधाराय नमः ओम सत्याय नमः ओम नित्यानंद निकेतनाय नमः ओम नित्य प्रकाशिन्ये नमः ओम नित्य बोधाय नमः ओम नादिन्ये नमः ओम जनमोदिन्ये नमः ओम सत्य प्रत्यन्ये नमः ओम स्वप्रकाशात्मरूपिण्ये नमः ओम वाय नमः ओम भगवत्यै नमः ओम दुर्गाय नमः ओम चंद्रिकाय नमः ओम दाक्षायिन्ये नमः ओम शिखाय नमः ओम गंगा सरस्वती वेणी नर्मदा भगाय नमः ओम समुद्रभुवनाय नमः ओम ब्रह्मांड श्रेणी विकलाय नमः ओम दशवायात्मजौगाय नमः ओम काश्यप्यै नमः ओम कमलादेव्यै नमः ओम श्रीरंजिताय नमः ओम महाकाव्याय नमः ओम सोमसूर्याग्निलोचनाय नमः ओम आदित्यै नमः ओम देवमातुराय नमः ओम अष्टपुत्राष्टाय नमः ओम बड़ावाग्निशिखवक्त्राय नमः ओम महाबलाय नमः ओम महाभूताय नमः ओम महादर्पाय नमः ओम महासाराय नमः ओम महाप्रकाराय नमः ओम पंचभूतमहाग्रासाय नमः ओम योगिन्ये नमः ओम योगधारिण्ये नमः ओम वैकुण्ठराजवाहिन्ये नमः ओम श्रीरङ्गनगर चक्रपालिन्ये नमः ॐ अष्टादशभुजाय नमः ॐ लक्ष्मी नमः ॐ महाष्टादशपीठाय नमः ॐ भूमिनीलादिसंसेव्याय नमः ॐ स्वामिचित्तनसत्यै नमः ॐ पद्माय नमः ॐ पद्ममालाधराय नमः ॐ पद्मिन्ये नमः ॐ पूर्णकुम्भाभिषेचन्ये नमः ॐ इन्दिराय नमः ॐ इन्दुरेखाय नमः ॐ क्षीरसागरकन्याय नमः ॐ शाश्वत्यै नमः ॐ शाश्वताकाराय नमः ॐ लोकानुग्रहकारिण्ये नमः ॐ सरस्ये नमः ॐ मानस्ये नमः ॐ नमः ॐ गौर्ये नमः ॐ लाक्षण्ये नमः ॐ मुख्याय नमः ॐ जगन्ये नमः ॐ अनन्तनित्यवशिन्ये नमः ॐ प्रपञ्चेश्वरकारिण्ये नमः ॐ सत्यसन्धिन्ये नमः ॐ परामोदाय नमः ॐ भक्त्यै नमः ॐ नित्यसन्तुष्टाय नमः ॐ सर्वेश्वर्ये नमः ॐ दोषवर्जिताय नमः ॐ गजलक्ष्मी नमः ॐ जगन्नाथाय नमः ॐ विष्णुपत्यै नमः गजलक्ष्मी देवताभ्यो नमः नानाभाग्रापयामि प्रत्यक्षदीपान् दर्शयामि आमस्मिन् प्रथमयान् देवेभ्यो अमृतश्राविः मान्दादि सैदेवा प्रत्यक्षदीपान् दर्शयामि नमस्ते प्रथमया दशमन्देवेभ्यो अमृतश्राविः मान्दादि सैदेवा प्रत्यक्षदीपान् दर्शयामि सत्यं कर्तेन परिशिष्यामि अमृतमस्तु प्रदो वस्त्रणमसि कुज्जस्करं बलकरं स्ववाञ्छमनोमृताय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा पानाय स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा उदानाय स्वाहा स्वाहाय स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा गजलक्ष्मी देवताभ्यो नमः अर्चनानन्तरे मात्रान्नान् निवेदयामि ते आचमनीयान् समर्पयामि के आचमनीयान् समर्पयामि आनन्दकर्पूरनिराजनान् दर्शयामि
Kरुणिन्दु
वाहनान् समर्पयामि श्रीमात्रे नमः श्रीमात्रे नमः श्रीमात्रे नमः पूर्णपुण्ड्रान् समर्पयामि आभरणैः अलङ्करोमि ॐ श्रीकान्ताय नमः ॐ शिवसन्धात्रे नमः ॐ श्रीवक्षीराप्तिकन्यकाय नमः ॐ श्रीपद्माय नमः ॐ श्रीतमन्दाराय नमः ॐ सिद्धिदाय नमः ॐ सिद्धिरूपिण्ये नमः ॐ धनधान्यप्रदायिन्ये नमः ॐ दानप्रबोधिनी श्रियं देवीं मह्मये श्रीर्वादेवी दुषधान् कांसस्मिनां हिरण्यप्राकाराभास्यान्
श्रीमावाहयामि तुदेमावाहयं पवित्रेमावाहयामि प्रमोदायिनीनावाहयामि लक्ष्मीनारायण देवताभ्यो नमः आजनीयान् समर्पयामि पवित्रेण भूता सूर्यस्य रश्मिः चन्द्रस्यापि चित्रैवात्याजनीयान् समर्पयामि वेदनां निवेदयामि छत्रमाच्छादयामि चामनैर्विजयामि नृत्यन्तर्जयामि गीतं श्रावयामष्टानारोहयामि गजानारोहयामि गरुडानारोहयामि समस्तराजोपचार भक्त्योपचार शिक्त्योपचार पूजान् समर्पयामि स्वामिनाथदेवानारविन्दयोः सुवर्णदिव्यमन्त्रपुष्पानन्तरे भक्त्योपचारान् समर्पयामि सर्वोपचारान् समर्पयामि अनयाध्यानावाहनात् त्रयोदशोपचारपूजयाः भगवान् सर्वात्मकः सुप्रीतः सुप्रसन्नामनदा भवन्तु यतस्फलान् लक्ष्मीनारायणपादारविन्दार्पणमस्तु अस्मिन् दिवसे आगत्यार्थं सर्वेषां भक्तजनानां च अखण्डायुः आरोग्याैश्वर्या भूयात् तत्र भवन्तः श्रीमन्तो महान्तः गृह्णन्तु।
श्रावण मासं after the Mahavishnu Yoga Nitra Chaturmasa Vratam, up to Kartika Masam Prabodhani Ekadasi, apart the Mahavishnu prayers, other prayers will come, like Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishna Janmashtami, Durga Puja, different other prayers will come when Mahavishnu Yoga is done. In this particularly first Shravana Masam, Lakshmi Puja. Purnima before Friday, we used to follow to the Varalakshmi Vratam. But Acharya is today Ashtalakshmi Vratam. Ashtalakshmi Vratam is very most important. Always we misunderstand. Lakshmi means money. If Lakshmi is there, everything is there with him. This is very wrong. You have millions of the rupees money, BP, diabetes. You are unable to eat one bread also. What is the use of the money? You have millions of the money, no education. You need to depend someone, everything to look accounts. That person will tell, you need to pay MRI 500,000 rupees. Without your knowledge, you will pay it. Without education, there is no use to stay there. You marry 20 years, no children, plenty of money. What is the use without children? So, Ashtalakshmi, what we did the prayer? Different Lakshmis, Ashta Aishwarya. What is this all? How it will come? It is all will be depend the Purva Janma Sukrita. Last Janma, what we did the good deeds, we will be able to enjoy the good things in this Janma. If we did last times are bad, if we are unable to give Annadhanam someone last Janma, you have plenty of money this year, you are unable to eat with diseases and other things. So, if what is the remedy for that all, we get good Aishwarya. A simple 2 minutes, not to take much time. 7th century, you already listened the name of the Adi Shankaracharya village. In a remote village, in a poor Brahman, he was born. At the age of 5 years, he is already sannyasa. One day, he went to one poor Brahman house, begging early morning. That is a Dwadasi after Ekadasi next day. That poor Brahman house, before day they performed to the Ekadasi Vratam. The second day, Dwadasi, wife only alone at home. The husband went to begging or somewhere because to eat, to offer the Vishnu Bhagavan, some rice also they don't have. That too much food they are suffering. That time, at the age of 5 years, Adi Shankaracharya came in front of the Brahman home. Bhagavati Bhiksham Dehi, he asked it. Unfortunately, at home nothing is there. The Brahman women searched everywhere, there was nothing. In puja in front of the Vishnu Bhagavan, one amla fruit only there. That is also half of the amla fruit eaten. She brought that one even to the Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya seen the situation of the poor condition of the woman. That time he was angrily, he was started shouting to the Lakshmi Mata. Lakshmi Mata gave darshan to the Shankaracharya. Lakshmi Mata told, last Janma, this Brahman family, even not even one grain also khana. Even today they are born as a Brahman, they are doing the prayers, they are doing all the vratams, but last Janma, they did not have small Annadhanam also, that's why they are suffering for the food this Janma. Adi Shankaracharya fight with Lakshmi Mata, maybe they did last Janma that mistake. This Janma to remove that since they are doing perform prayers. When I asked the Bhagavati Bhiksha Dehi, that woman what she have at home, one amla fruit she given dhanam. For this purpose, you need to give for herself to the Aishwarya. She chanted 21 beautiful slokas. Angam hare puraka bhushanavasrayanti Brundagani vabhukuda bharanantamalam Angi brudakila vibhuti rabangalila Mangalyada Sahastu Mamangala Devataya. Like this 21 slokas when he chanted, Lakshmi Mata from the top, golden amla fruits was given. But in the essence of this one, as per the Shastra, to get this Ashta Aishwaryams, we need to do the Ashtalakshmi Puja. When we do the Ashtalakshmi Puja, as per what we have some education knowledge there to give that knowledge to other someone. You have plenty of money, give who's really suffering, the poor people. You have food at home, give one bread to others. Doing the prayer, the same in the Ashtamidas you do Dhanam, then future you will get the real Lakshmi blessing. To get the real Lakshmi blessing, we need the Ashtalakshmi. I don't continue now. I pray Mahavishnu, Lakshmi Mata, to shower her blessings all of you to get good health and prosperity, and also my nephew Srinivasacharya is making good things. I give my blessings to him also. Thank you.